Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.
Good morning, everybody. Onroad Driving Educations and Academy of Road Safety would like to take a moment to extend a heartfelt thank you for your continuous support and loyalty and wish you all the very best for the festive season ahead. We are still here with the mission of educating Australians on how to be a safe and responsible drivers. We had over 28,000 plus driving lessons we conducted. We nearly had few hundreds people got the driver license as well. We really want to say a massive thank you to all our customers and all my team at the Onroad Driving Educations and Academy of Road Safety. We are NDIS providers, so any disability driving or support you need, we are here to help you out. And we do the corporate driver trainings, we do the advanced driver trainings, we do the driving lessons throughout Sydney, and now we are in Melbourne, Canberra, Wollongong and Newcastle as well. So if you need any help in anywhere regarding the driving lessons or the disability supports, we are here to help you out. And Academy of Road Safety is our nationally recognized RTO as well. So if somebody want to get the driving instructor license, hello, we are here. So please call us and our team are here to help you out. If you want to buy a gift voucher, you still got a few more days to go. So you can go to our website, you can personalize, you can print your certificate as well. And I really want to wish you, your families, your employees, everybody in my team, I wish you a very, very happy and festive seasons. Enjoy, drive safe, don't forget the double damage points coming in this Christmas holidays, and Merry Christmas to everybody.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!